Here's a quick tip to add perspective dimensioning to your letters in Procreate. Duplicate your letters, take the bottom layer, bring it down, shrink it, and put it where you want the vanishing point. Lower the opacity on both layers and add a new layer between them. My vanishing point is below the original letters, so start at the bottom of the letter and connect the corners. Then draw lines to connect the lines you just drew. Sometimes the line you draw goes behind the letter, so just draw it to the letter and stop there. To connect a curve, draw the line from the same point on the curve of both letters. Draw around the curved letter to connect the lines. When you're drawing a line that goes behind the letter, remember to stop at the letter. Turn off the visibility of the smaller letters, bring up the opacity of the larger letters. Add some shading. I'm using clipping masks to do this, and I'll show clipping masks in another tutorial. You can try vanishing points in different places. Below, above, and to the side. And colors make it exciting too.